Want to reduce unwanted messages or comments on Instagram? You can easily manage that by using the Limit Interactions feature. It gives you more control over who can reach you and when. Open the Instagram app on your phone. Then tap your profile picture in the bottom right corner to go to your profile. Next, tap the 3 horizontal lines at the top right corner. This opens your Settings menu. Swipe up to scroll down and find the section called How Others Can Interact with You. Then tap Limit Interactions. Here, you'll see an overview of how this feature works. Tap Turn On at the bottom to enable it. Once it's on, Instagram automatically applies default limits to manage who can comment, message, or interact with your content. But you can customize these settings too. Tap What Will Be Limited to choose how strict you want Instagram to be. Then tap Who Will Be Limited to decide which accounts these limits apply to. Finally, tap when we will remind you to turn this off, and set a reminder so Instagram can notify you when it's time to review your settings. Turning on interaction limits is a great way to keep your account safer and make your Instagram experience a lot more peaceful. If this helped, don't forget to like the video, subscribe for more Instagram tips, and I'll see you in the next one.